Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to install code blocks on your MacBook. So let's begin. The process remains same for other devices too, like Windows and all, but with a small alterations. So let's begin. Just go to the Safari and go to codeblocks.org and just open this. Else I would start from the beginning. Just take a look here. Just type code blocks. That's it. And that is a bit laggy. Fine. Go to downloads. Click on the binary release. If you are using Windows XP, Vista 7, 8X, or 10, you can go download according to your requirements here. And this is Mac, so I'll just go with this option here. Just click this source version. Depending on your device, 64, 32. It says your download will be start shortly, so just wait. It started downloading. It's of about 21 MB, so it might take a little of time. Okay. It is decompressing and it's done. So now what you need to do is just click OK, minimize, go to the Finder, open Applications, open Downloads, and drag this code blocks here. And here we can find the code blocks. Just open this. After you double tap, you get this screen saying that GNU GCC compiler detected. So just keep it as it is and just click OK. Yeah, it has opened. So just make it large. Create new project. Click on create new project. You need to go with console application. There are other more, but we are going to stick with console applications. So just click go. Then next, you need to select C, as we are going to go with C language. So you need to go with C language. And if you would like to go with, like if you want to install for C++, then you can go with C++. So let's start with C. Click next. Give a project title name. So we will just write it as tutorial. Fine. Create the project in. Let us browse to our desktop and choose it. Then just hit next. Then finish. Here you can see the name tutorial, and here you can see the source. You need to open this source. You can find a page called main.c. So main.c is something that's going to help us. We are going to write the main code in that. Now this is the code written here for the hello world, and let me show you how to build it. You can click this build button. It just builds and tells you that the process has been terminated, there are 0 errors, that kind of things. And this is for running the program, and it says press enter to continue. It has printed hello world here, and it says press exit it. Then else you can go with build and run. This is the it first builds, then it runs. So you can go with this directly. So that's it. This is the way you can install your code blocks on your MacBook, or you can install your code blocks on your Windows machine. And this is how we start coding. So I'm gonna use X4 code for the future tutorials. You can go with and just click this to build and this to run. That's it. So stay tuned and hit subscribe.